Let's do that, can we? How's everyone doing today? I am JK here today. Today we're going to be making some lentil beans. This is stuff that you could use for... I'm not really educated on freaking lentils. Basically, I'm going to be trying out some new stuff for you guys. If you guys do have suggestions for me to cook, leave a comment down below. So what we're going to need here is we're going to need some lentils. And then we also got here garlic powder.
Stop!
Salt.
Stop!
We need some paprika. And also we have some pepper right here, ladies and gentlemen. Oregano as well. And we need some vegetable broth as well. You can use water, but they say go with this one because it's freaking enhances more of the flavor. And we're also gonna need some tacos. So we're gonna start off today is basically we're gonna add all the ingredients onto this bowl. You might be thinking, hey JK, where's your freaking kitchen? This is my kitchen now. This is my freaking kitchen. This is a little portable stove they use for quick barbecue. What? So anyways, we're gonna turn this thing baby on, or we're gonna add all the ingredients first. It should be fine. So let's get started right now. Add all the ingredients. So what we're gonna add first is basically the veggie broth. No, frick, wrong way. What does it smell like? Alright, we're gonna add a little bit because I have no idea what to add. I honestly didn't check other websites about how to make lentils. I only just went on one website. Freaking being biased here. So now we're gonna add this lentils. There you go. Alright, we're gonna put some garlic powder in there. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. This probably is for flavor, but we'll have to see. We got some pepper right here. Pepper. Same old thing. Shake it all up. Do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's why I'm not gonna fail with this. Alright, here we go. We got some paprika right here. A little bag of paprika, ladies and gentlemen. Ah. The freaking thing got on my thumb. Frick. Ah. A little bit of paprika. There we go. I'm not gonna do too much of it because I know paprika is pretty strong. Okay. Again. Ah, there we go. Alright, some salt. Salt some, ladies and gentlemen. Get your low sodium salt. Alright, there we go. There we go, nice. And last but not least, the oregano. This looks like catnip. Alright, let's put it on there. Okay, not so much because it is pretty strong. It's a herb. I hope it's a herb. Hope I'm right if it's a herb. Alright, so now we got all the ingredients. We're gonna boil this up. So let's see. Let's hope this thing does not explode on me. Alright, let's see. Turn this thing baby on. Alright. You thought there was gonna be an explosion? I thought there was gonna be a fire? There's probably is a fire around California. Alright, we're gonna leave this on. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, and it says we have to wait about 20 to 30 minutes until it is very tender. I don't want to taste this right now. Oh, look at that! Wow, about a couple minutes, it's like freaking it's like already cooking. Like holy cow! Mmm, smells good too. Holy cow! Let's hope it tastes good as much as it smells and stuff. All right, we're gonna keep this freaking steam's coming my way. All right, we're gonna keep this up. Keep this up for about probably wait about 20 minutes, and then we'll see if it's good, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see if it's good.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Broth seems a little bit clearing up just a bit. All right, there we go. Okay, that looks pretty good. Nice. Ooh, that's pretty good stuff, right? Ah, look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Not volume. Alrighty. Seems like the beans are getting a little bit softer now. The broth is gone, so it probably soaked or steams out. Alrighty. Ooh, look at this stuff. Look at this stuff. What Oh gosh! Ah, no, get out of here! Ah! Okay. I'm gonna let this thing slide. Whew. All right. So I think you just gotta keep moving this around. If you don't, it's gonna get burnt. So wow, I'm impressed. He said it was easy, so I'm about to give this a shot. I'm gonna let it rest here for a couple of minutes. We're gonna start eating this lentil beans. All right, so now we got the lentil beans all cooked up. Basically, we're gonna put it onto this taco tortilla. Right. All right, so we're gonna add the beans here. All right. Ooh, look at that good stuff. I don't know if it's gonna be good. I don't know, and I could probably heat this tortilla, but frick me life, it's something I don't have time for. All right, moment two. Got my lentil beans in here. All right, let's start digging in. I don't know what to say. I don't think I got a big bite of it, but have some. It tastes like a pinto bean, to be honest. Does actually taste pretty good though. I don't know. I don't know what it tastes like. Like frick me like. They're a little bit hard. I'm not sure they're supposed to be that hard. I'm getting food poisoning, but if I do, last meal. All right, I'm just gonna try it out without the tortilla. We're just gonna try it out and see what happens. I mean, you know, if you wanna try something well, you know, wrap. I don't know, just take it out of the wrapper or something. All right, moment two. Alright, talk about it is then.
That's a lot of damage.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is lentils beans. You can add that with your pita bread, or you can add it with your tacos too, if you guys like. If you guys want, if you guys have any more suggestions for me, go comment below. See what suggestions you have for me to cook, basically, and also the food reviews that you want me to go, like fast foods or any other restaurants that you don't want to go to, and you need somebody to you want to have an honest opinion about it, or you want me to have an honest opinion about it, then you can comment below. But anyways, thank you for if you're all the way at the end, thank you very much for watching. If you guys like, follow me on Twitch, subscribe to me on YouTube. I stream on Thursdays to Saturdays. Let's put the time right there. Anyways, so without further ado, for the Republic. I'll see you. Bye. I swear to freaking Lord, oh my gosh, I swear, holy cow. I'm never gonna make anything. No potatoes, no lentils, frick me life. Holy cow, this is gonna make me a huge mess, and frick no, I am not doing this ever again. Frick.